Here I have Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you should hold down power key, and when you see this turn off menu, hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode, just tap on it and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And as you can see, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.